הרכב שנהגו בו completely burned. זה נמצא בכביש לכיוון האדמה.
Matapos ang 2 linggong paghahanap sa magkasintahang beauty queen at Israeli national, ay natagpuan na walang buhay sa isang quarry site sa Capas, Tarlac, Sabado ng umaga, June 6, 2024. Sa tulong ng isang testigo na ituro kung saan ang mga labi ng magkasintahan na si Geneva Lopez at Yitzhak Cohen. Kinumpirma naman ng mga kaanak na sila nga ang nawawalang magkasintahan. Halos naaagnas na ang mga labi nang mahukay ang mga ito. Alias Junjun ang nautusang magsunog sa SUV ng magkasintahan. Ayon sa mga pulis, 2 dating kabaro nila ay person of interest. Isa sa 2 ito ang middleman.
Natin na kanina yung hepe po ng Capas Tarlac at according to him ay na-confirm naman po sa kanya ng pamilya na ito na po yung kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. Like I said, kailangan muna po nating dumaan sa DNA profiling to establish po the identities po nitong 2 nakuha po natin.
Hindi po natin pwedeng madaliin ang investigasyon. Kailangan po natin talagang siguraduhin at matiyak na yung pong ating makukuha resulta ay yung po talaga yung totoo at makahanap po tayo ng justisya sa mga nawawala.
Mabilis lang po siya.
May kalahating oras.
Baka wala pa po sa kalahating oras.
Basta nung pagka-park nyo, kinuha yung mga bangkay o
Nagukay pa lang po.
זה הרכב שנהגו בו completely burned. זה נמצא בכביש לכיוון האדמה.
Sir, prior to his disappearance, was he able to tell you about anything that could cause you to worry about this?
No, actually, he didn't say to anyone. He just the only way that he projected about this kind of matter that it's just another progress in his own life as a businessman. He didn't show any worry, and I guess that is because he was feeling really comfortable. He didn't feel really threatened, maybe over comfortable. That's basically it. Nobody really got any information that he was worried about. Coming here the first time to the Philippines is a little bit sad because I know you have a beautiful country. I was looking forward to come here in the next summer of yours to discover this country, and it's unfortunate that I'm here now on one of my mission of my life to find my brother. And it's a little bit also shame that I didn't speak to him before he actually left to this meeting that he thought that he will bring him to a higher success in his own personal life. My goal is to find my brother. My goal is really to finish it as fast as possible and not to having any, let's say, more problems, I would say, or just complications, just to find my brother as fast as possible.
So you have any message to the Filipino people to help?
Thank you, and please, if anybody can help getting information to find them, that would be amazing. We're offering a reward also for exactly that matter to solve the problem as fast as possible.